Chapter 3. Never Enough. The Dangers of Insatiable Greed. The Psychology of Money. Morgan Housel dedicates Chapter 3, Never Enough, to exploring a fundamental flaw in human nature, the inability to recognize when we have enough. He explains how greed, comparison, and the constant desire for more can lead to poor financial decisions, dissatisfaction, and even financial ruin. The problem with more, many people believe that financial success is about accumulating more wealth, more power, and more status. However, Housel argues that if you don't know when to stop, you'll never feel successful, no matter how much you have. This relentless pursuit of more can lead to unnecessary risk-taking, unethical behavior, and a life devoid of contentment. He presents an important question. At what point does striving for more wealth become counterproductive? The answer lies in understanding what is enough for you and being able to step away from the endless race for more. The story of Rajat Gupta. A cautionary tale. Housel uses the real-life example of Rajat Gupta, former CEO of McKinsey & Company, to illustrate how greed can lead to downfall. Gupta was already extremely wealthy, with a net worth of over $100 million, more than enough to live comfortably for multiple lifetimes. Yet he wanted more and got involved in insider trading, passing confidential stock tips to gain even greater wealth. This unethical decision led to his arrest, imprisonment, and the destruction of his reputation. The lesson? He already had more than enough, yet he risked everything for just a little more. How comparison fuels greed. Of the biggest reasons people never feel like they have enough is comparison. No matter how much wealth someone has, they often measure their success against those who have more. For example, someone with $1 million might feel rich until they meet someone with $10 million. A high-earning executive might feel successful until they compare themselves to a billionaire. This never-ending cycle of comparison makes it impossible to feel satisfied, because there will always be someone wealthier, more successful, or more powerful. Housel argues that the key to financial happiness is not more money, but the ability to stop comparing yourself to others. The true cost of pursuing more money, more status, and more success often comes at a cost. Higher risk. People take unnecessary financial risks to chase higher returns, often leading to loss of freedom. The more money you chase, the more you become trapped in jobs, obligations, and stress. Ethical compromises. Some individuals resort to dishonest or illegal methods to get ahead. Happiness decline. Studies show that after a certain income level, more money does not significantly increase happiness, instead of always wanting more. Housel suggests focusing on contentment, appreciating what you have instead of chasing what you guarantee. Sustainability. Making financial decisions that support long-term well-being. Moderation. Understanding that enough is different for everyone and should be defined personally. How to know when you have enough. Housel provides practical steps to recognize when you have enough. Set clear financial goals. Decide what financial security means to you and set realistic targets. Define your enough. Ask yourself, what do I actually need to live happily and securely? Stop comparing. Avoid measuring your success based on others' wealth or lifestyle. Prioritize time over money. The ultimate goal of wealth should be freedom, not just accumulation. Final takeaway. Housel's message in this chapter is clear. If you don't know when to stop, you'll never have enough no matter how much you have. Instead of endlessly chasing more, find satisfaction in what you already have. Avoid reckless financial decisions. And remember that true wealth is about freedom, security, and peace of mind, not just numbers in a bank account.